Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock header and footer in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to lock header and footer in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then select the header option, and we can see here the header text. Now we want to lock this header. Click, go to the master page option and select the close master page. Then go back again the page and we can see we lock the header text. You cannot edit this text anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.